Superheroes and ancient philosophy. Here's the connection. Arete. Arete, which means excellence in ancient Greek, is a concept that's been around since, obviously, the times of ancient Greeks and continues to be explored today. The idea is that humans are capable of excellence, that we can live up to our highest potential as individuals, and that we should do so. I'm Matt Sherman, and I help geeks and gamers to play life better. Welcome to Geek Psychology. Also, thank Brian Johnson from Optimize.me for pointing out this connection here. Superheroes like Captain America and Batman have always been about this idea. They're about living up to the best version of yourself, and not just for yourself, but for others too. That's why they don't just go around punching people for no reason. Although maybe they sometimes do, but they're protecting people from injustice, and they're helping people who can't protect themselves as they live up to their full potential. The idea of arete isn't just about being excellent at something, it's about living up to your potential as a human being. It's about striving for the highest version of yourself and then reaching for that every day. It's about improving yourself through hard work and perseverance, and not just having some special ability or power that lets you get by without any effort. And these days, we don't really have many role models who seem like they're living up to their actual potential. But we do have superheroes, and we have them in abundance right now. If you want to see arete in action, look no further than Spider-Man. Spider-Man is a perfect example of someone who embodies the principle of arete. He's not just a powerful being with special abilities, he works hard every day to help make people and the world better. And he never gives up, no matter how tough things get. That's what it means to live up to your full potential as a human being. Always striving for excellence and never giving up on yourself or others. So here's a quick 3-step plan. Number 1, find a superhero that you admire. Number 2, ask yourself, what is it about them that you admire so much? Number 3, try to live up to those ideals in your own life in some way. It's not easy, but if we all strive for arete, then we can all live up to the better versions of ourselves, and maybe the world will become a better place because we're all unleashing more of our, superpowers for potential good. So maybe next time that you watch a superhero movie, try thinking about how the different characters could inspire you to take more epic action towards bigger goals. Comment down below about your favorite superhero and what aspects are inspirational to you. Good luck, have fun. Peace.
Good? We good? Get that superhero shuffle. Yeah.
That's my victory dance after filming.
Just feels good. I just like get that out.
Released into the public. Finally.